Hi guys, this is Vishal. Welcome to third tutorial of Selenium 4. Today we'll be looking at weights in Selenium 4. So there are basically five weights: implicit weight, script timeout, page load timeout, WebDriver weight, and fluent weight. Yeah. So the the usage is same, which was there in Selenium 3. Just the implementation is changed somewhat, not uh, drastic change, but yeah, something is changed in Selenium 4, right? So as for the definition, like script timeout is normally used for script. So we use JavaScript executor. So it JavaScript executor in the background, it runs executes the script to locate element or click on element, like that operations. Yeah. Or the default timeout, script timeout, is 30,000, and so based on our requirement we can change it using the script timeout function, which is given by Selenium. So similarly, there is page load timeout. So page load timeout will is applicable to page load. So again here, default timeout is 300,000. So okay, 300,000 millisecond. So we again we can customize this based on our requirement. We can increase it or we can decrease it. Yeah. And again, implicit weight is all of us know it will be default timeout is 0, and it will be applicable on all the element of the page. Okay, page. Yep. Okay. So first of all, let take a look at these weights. Yeah, like how to. So first is script timeout. Okay, so it will driver.manage.timeout.script script timeout. Yeah. So here we just have to give duration of seconds, and that is any 10 seconds maybe, or you can give any time. Similarly, as you can see, we can do it for implicit weight, right? Earlier we used to give just time, like this, but it is time and time unit, but now it is changed. We have to use duration of seconds, like that. Yeah. And similarly, we can apply page load timeouts, and page load timeouts. Again, duration duration yeah, duration of, suppose, minutes. Yeah, 1 minute, something like that. We can apply, right? So these are weight which are directly available in when we create from driver options. Yeah. And so now there is one more hard code weight that we can use. All of us know that thread.slip. Yeah, I don't want to write it because it is again supported by Java only. Yeah. So next are explicit weight. Okay, explicit weight. So as all of you know, there are two types of weight: explicit in explicit form, WebDriver weight, and fluent weight, right? Okay. So let's first see WebDriver weight. Yeah. So let's create an object of WebDriver weight new WebDriver weight. So here we need to pass two parameter. One is driver and another is duration of minutes. Let's see. So 1 minute. Okay. So earlier we used to pass here directly time, but here we have to pass on duration of minutes like that. Yeah. So yeah. So how it is implemented? The wait until. So this is very so WebDriver wait is very useful wait because it applies on a specific web element. So while writing a Selenium script or executing a Selenium script, what happens, like for some element it will take more time to load, okay, and for some element it will take less time to load, right? So in that case, so if you apply implicit wait, so it will be applicable on all the web element of the page, and it is not feasible, okay, it will take more time. So that's why what we can do, instead of applying it on all the elements the same weight, the higher weight, we can apply it on a specific element. So where a web diver weight will be useful, okay, and again we can apply weight, and again we can wait for a specific condition. You get it? Okay, so this until function will have a expected condition parameter. So here we have these many condition. Presence of so we are waiting for, suppose we are waiting for a sub elements, presence of element located by, we can directly pass here element, or we can again pass by suppose id, something id. So right, so this will return us a web element, okay. See, and we can again click on that element, or send keys, whatever operation that you want to do, we can do it. So this is very useful. So it will wait for the specific element for 1 minute, and then once that element is present, or it can locate that element, then it will return us that element, and we can do further operation on that element, okay. So like a presence of element located like that, we can have multiple alert, we can wait for alert element to be clickable, okay. Also sometimes element is presence in the DOM, but it is not clickable, okay, grayed out or something. So we have to wait for that element to be clickable, okay. So we can refresh the page. So sometimes what happens, once page loads, and after some time the element get refreshed, so we can the page, some part of page get refreshed again and again. So we can use refresh for that, right? Again, visibility of element. Yeah. So all these options are there. You can explore these options more, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment. I will reply on that. Yeah. Okay. So in this way, we can use the explicit wait. Okay. Next is fluent wait. Okay. So fluent wait, new fluent wait. So what is the difference between WebDriver wait and fluent wait? Okay, so what so see, so WebDriver wait is uh, in fluent wait, okay. In fluent wait we can control most of, most of the thing, other things as well, okay. So let me know you let me show you that, sorry. Okay, so along with, so we can specify the with timeout, how much timeout that we want. So duration of minutes, sorry, of minutes, 10 minutes, suppose you want to wait. Again, polling, so this is very important. We can change the default polling, okay. Polling every, suppose 10 second, okay. So we can poll every 10 second. Again, sorry, duration we want. So we can poll every 10 second, Okay, again we can do exception. So we can ignore any exception. We ignoring no alert is present. So we can so Selenium exception, no such element, no alert is present. So there are many Selenium exception, right? So we can ignore those exception as well. So our script won't fail, right? So this is fluent way. Again, the implementation is same, right? The options are also same for fluent event. It's just that we are changing the polling time, right? Okay, this need change. Again, this will return us a web element L1, and we can do any operation on it, right? So this is fluent weight. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions about this as well in the comment box. I will reply on the comments. Yeah. So these are so there is some slight change from Selenium 3 to Selenium 4 regarding the weight. So this is all for today's session. Please like and subscribe this video, and bye.